Is your current siding showing signs of wear and tear? Are you trying to decide between two different options for residing your home? Today, we're going to explain why we choose Hardie fiber cement over vinyl every time. Hey there, I'm Abraham with Pacific Exteriors. Here at Pacific Exteriors, we've installed siding in over 10,000 homes here in the Pacific Northwest and Atlanta, Georgia. We're the #1 Hardie installer here in the Pacific Northwest. And here's why we recommend Hardie fiber cement in almost every situation. So you're going to want to ask, what is Hardie fiber cement? Hardie is a composite fiber cement made of Portland cement, sand, cellulose fiber, and water. It's a durable, fire-resistant, and weather-resistant product. This is vinyl siding. It's a PVC resin that has paint pigments and other additives that are used to create the siding itself, and it is water resistant. If we're going to be talking about durability, Hardie has unmatched durability. It's going to be good in hot climates, cold climates, wet climates. It doesn't retain moisture like some other sidings. It's pest resistant. It's going to stop the ants from getting in. The termites are not going to want to eat this. And then the woodpeckers are not going to poke holes in it as well. And then it has a long lifespan, which is another benefit of it. You're going to get about 30 to 50 years out of this product. So here we have a vinyl product. One benefit of the vinyl is it is water resistant by being a vinyl product. Some of the drawbacks of vinyl is it's prone to warping in high temperatures. So I've seen a neighbor's window reflect off of one home and melt the other side, or off a door window. So those are some of the issues you'll have to deal with there. Another drawback of vinyl is that it is prone to trapping moisture if installed incorrectly. The water will find a way to make its way right behind that J channel. It can trap that moisture right there because it's not a sealed system like when we're installing Hardie. With vinyl, you're looking at a 20 to 40 year lifespan, so a shorter lifespan than Hardie as well. Fire resistant is another great benefit of Hardie, whether it's a house fire or a wildfire. We've seen homes where the building next to it has been set on fire and it was hot enough to melt the glass, but it has left the Hardie untouched. It's a fiber cement, so it can take extreme temperatures before it will burn. It was exposed to direct flame for 10 minutes and still did not catch on fire. Now, when we're comparing and contrasting this to vinyl itself, this is a PVC hydrocarbon product. So oil, it is a flammable product, and it is very prone to warping from heat or fire and it is combustible. I've seen barbecues several feet off the wall completely warp the vinyl. Let's talk about color. So with Hardie, it does come in a primed and painted, where it'll come primed and then we can paint it any color you like. Otherwise, you do have options for a pre-painted option. With Hardie, it's called Color Plus. And with that, it comes pre-baked on the factory, and that's going to give you up to 15 years of life with that product as well. Let's talk about vinyl. So it does come pre-colored, however, it is prone to fading. Also, if you do want to paint, there are very limited painting options that are specific to vinyl, and they're not great. So a lot of times you'll end up with, if you do paint, it can warp the vinyl siding because it'll get too hot. Whether you're choosing Hardie fiber cement or you're going to go with the vinyl siding, always go with a trusted contractor. This is not something you should do DIY. If you do go with the DIY, you're going to avoid all the warranties of the product. Always go with a trusted certified contractor like us here at Pacific Exteriors. Log into our website. We'll be happy to come out and give you a free estimate. Every single siding project is different. We can put whatever siding you like on your home. However, in general, and in most cases, we recommend the Hardie fiber cement. Go ahead and hit that like button, comment, subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.